Hi, welcome to Southbridge, and in today's video, we will see how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. But first, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to view the latest from Southbridge. So, we have a list here, a list of hobbies. To add a checkbox, we have to go to the Developer tab. And if you don't have the Developer tab enabled in your Excel, I have a video on how to enable it. I will put it on the description box below, so check it out. So in the Developer tab, just click Insert and click the checkbox icon. Next is you have to drag your mouse to draw the checkbox. So let us erase its default text. Just double click and delete the text. So to select the checkbox, you have to press and hold Ctrl key in the keyboard and click it. Let me arrange it to the center. As you can see, our checkbox is working. We can check and uncheck it. Let us drag it to apply it to the other hobbies. So that's how you can add or insert a checkbox in Excel. If you like the video, please subscribe to Southbridge and don't forget the notification bell button. Thanks.